Hello, my name's S.J. Mitchell. I teach Algebra 2 as well as Geometry and Pre-Cal to students in North Texas here at Bell High School. And what I need to say to you is that we're going to do some exciting things, and I'm going to share a secret with you. So what we're going to do first is go through and take a little pledge. So you need to raise your hand and say, I pledge that I will not share with anybody else but my best friends these secrets that I'm about to hear today. Okay, if you've done that, we're ready to go, and here comes the first slide. All right, the map proofs that we're going to do have to do with connecting statements and reasons in the formal geometry. Here's the type of student that will typically see these problems in 10th grade geometry, and it's about congruence in triangles. The real-world application proofs in geometry simulate the most important skill needed in the workforce. That skill is problem solving. A doctor is problem solving as he or she is seeing a new patient for the first time. An engineer is problem solving when trying to retool the factory to handle a larger silicone wafer. This is what our formal proofs look like. Doesn't look very good right now, but we're going to be able to handle these in just a little bit. What we're going to do is learn how to match statements and reasons for a formal proof by using a map and taking a road trip. Sounds good to me. So here are the rules. Statements are city changes on the maps as the highways change. Reasons are highway road directions. Each city in which the direction change will be a new statement. Each new highway will be a new reason. This is what it's going to look like. Look and see what's given and where we're supposed to go. We're going to start in Wichita Falls, Texas, and we're going to prove a direction to Crockett, Texas. Before we even look at the map, we can fill in some of these things. The first statement is going to be what's given. It's Wichita Falls. The first reason is going to be given. We also know where we're going to end up at. We're going to end up at Crockett, Texas. So that will be our last statement and our last reason. So right now we're going to go through and take a look at the map and look and see where we're starting. We're starting in Wichita Falls, which I've got circled. We're supposed to go to Crockett, Texas. I've marked off our first route. We're going to go to Fort Worth first. So back to our statements and reasons, we'll say Wichita Falls to Fort Worth. And the reason is going to be take Highway 287 south to Fort Worth. Back to the map, we're going to move from Fort Worth to Dallas. When we go through and do that, there are many ways to go. We're going to go 30 straight down the middle from Fort Worth to Dallas. So on our map proof, we say Fort Worth to Dallas as the statement, and we say take Highway 30 east to Dallas. Moving back to the map, we're going to go south, and when we turn south, we'll move on 45. We're going to go from Dallas to Centerville. So that's our next statement. Dallas to Centerville, take Highway 45 south to Centerville. Last time to look at the map, we're going to go from Centerville to Crockett. When we go from Centerville to Crockett, that will complete what we're doing. Now you see Centerville to Crockett, and we're going to take Highway 7 east to Crockett. That is exactly what we are supposed to go through and do for our formal proofs. Everything that you see here is connected together. All the statements are connected. All the reasons are connected. And now you know how to do this. I'm going to show you one for you to do. Here we have one that you can try for yourself with part of the statements and reasons filled in. It's given Paris, Texas. We're supposed to find a path to Waco, Texas. And what I'd like to do last is give some thanks to the members of the semiconductor team and the technology educator team. And I'm going to leave you with these last couple of thoughts here. So what I'm going to say to you is, I've said to you that this is secret. You can share it with a friend, but definitely don't share it with a teacher, because if you tell a teacher, they will tell another teacher, and then what's going to happen?